Please welcome back to this mind-blowing video whereby we're going to see how you TikTok creator fund can pay for TikTok content. When I'm talking about this, I'm majorly basing on research which was carried out late last year and early this year by ZipRecruiter. In this video, we're going to be seeing like three clusters. One, how TikTokers are being paid in the United States of America. Then we're going to see the ban. What is really the cause of the ban in the USA, whereby we know it is going to be reviewed as to the reports. But what do you think are the causes? Then we'll see what are the major disadvantages, if at all it is being banned forever. This one will apply to both USA and even outside US. So in this video, you guys, let's dive in and see what exactly and how much exactly does TikTok pay the TikTok content creators in US. We will find out that ZipRecruiter said that as early January this month 2025 and even late December, or we can say last year in 2024, TikTokers were paid approximately around 615 US dollars, which is equating to it's almost like $56 per hour, that is too much. Just write in the comment section, it is too much. And even another source indicated that average annual pay for TikTok influencer in the US is around 131 US dollars as of May, that was 2024, but this goes to even above 56 US dollars per hour. This is huge earning. So guys, what do you think is the breakdown of this payment for TikTokers in the United States of America? When I'm talking about TikTokers, it's not that everybody that has an account or is going to post in the US is going to get money. There is a TikTok fund, creator fund, and this TikTok creator fund competes creators who meets the threshold. It's like any other platform, like YouTube, like Facebook, like Instagram. You have to reach a threshold. So putting aside the threshold, TikTok Creator Fund compensates creators between $0.02 to $0.04 per 1,000 views, whereby it is a bit low. However, it depends on your niche, it depends on what you do and even your audience. This one can translate to around $40 or $20 to $40 for every 1 million views. So, and it is very easy, you guys, to get 1 million views on TikTok. And when we go to the breakdown according to the way ZipRecruiter, which is one of the trusted analysts, what they talked about, what influencers get, around 48% of the influencers do earn less than 15,000 annually. Then 9% they earn between 15,000 to 25,000. Then 7% earn around 25 to 35%. Then when we go to the majority, they are just down, and most of them, they are depending on the products they are monetizing, not on creator fund. So guys, as you have known that it's true, in the US, people are earning money out of TikTok creator fund. You never know, it would have even enrolled to other countries, but there are different ways of being monetized on TikTok. So for TikTok to be banned in the US, or to be halted, to have an halt in the US, it means it will affect everybody around them. However, there is advantages and disadvantages of this ban. This is what we're going to be looking at today, and at the end of this video, would gauge ourselves and say, if these disadvantages are kept constant or advantages are kept constant, can we change our behaviors on how we are using our money, on how we are using our gadgets, on how we are using our platforms? Because this one enrolls to all other places. So today we are just diving into this hot discussion that is very hot. Really, it's like we have pressed a hot button and it is all over the headlines. I think the whole world is national, it is worldwide. The potential ban of TikTok in United States has caused an alarm, but they have their own different, and they have their own reasons as why they propose to, I cannot say they have banned it, they have put a halt on it. So let's dive in and see the first benefit, or why they think banning TikTok is very beneficial or it is advantageous. One, there is security, national security. Many government officials, they expressed concern. It has been, even for the month, they have been expressing concerns that TikTok, which is owned by a Chinese company, that a Chinese company is called ByteDance, ByteDance, could share their user data with the Chinese government. Banning the app would result into reducing the risks of data breaches and even other related risks. You guys, it is not only for US, but it's true that there is a lot of exposure as far as data of the government and even everywhere is concerned. Protecting user privacy is another reason why they decided to ban, or they are proposing to ban this app. TikTok collects a vast amount of data, including location, device information. Even when you're browsing, your browsing habits, they collect it. And this one, why they want to put a ban, or they want to put a hold, or they want to put a switch. A ban could prevent data from being misused. We go to another one. Another reason is about reducing harmful content. You agree with me that TikTok has a lot of harmful content. It has been criticized, you people, by this app by hosting a harmful and misleading content, including misinformation and even trending negativity, which is by the way affecting the mental health of individuals, and it even escalates to the government. So banning it, they feel they will be reducing it. Then why they would feel like banning it or putting it in order, it is strengthening technical regulations. TikTok ban could at least set a precedent to sticker data. You guys, if we are going to this, we will know that most companies, they have to put a technical regulation as far as data is concerned. So putting this, I think they will check. They are checking them for them to make sure that they can do something about it. Also, the benefits of it, they feel the moment they ban it, most televisions, most these news anchors, are we calling them are they calling radio stations, will get back their job. It will be meaningful. This would have been the first point, by the way. Taking this even worldwide, it is seen and it is proved that everywhere where TikTok is, TVs have lost meaning, radio stations have lost meaning. These are our ancient stations that we used to get information from, but now TikTok is always the first. So having said that, we know, apart from the government or individuals planning, even pushing for the TikTok to be banned, really there are other things that might be bad for individuals, even for the government, and even for everybody that has been owning TikTok, like limited freedom of expression, speech. You know, TikTok has been, should I say it is good for freedom of speech, because it has no restriction. Everybody has his own account. You're free to talk what you have, and there is no restricting you. Then it also it has affected small businesses. That is, it has impacted a negativity on businesses, because most people have grown from this app. And then also it can also lead to a backlash of users. It has even done it, because I've seen people are demonstrating, people are putting posts and other things. For economic implication, it can also be there, because this company has been employing very many people. So where do you think they will go from now? Ineffectiveness of ban can also be there, because people have known how to divert and use VPN. So you guys, what do you think? I want you to put something in the comment section. Let's know, do you support USA? Do you support your country to ban this app, this mobile app? See you in another